Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I'm Payal Monga, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to do the bookwork and question answers of chapter number 6, Foods We Eat. Okay? So first of all, we are doing page number 39. Okay? So here you can see a plate. So in this plate, you have to write that what you eat yesterday. ओके आपने कल क्या खाया था वो आपको इस प्लेट पर लिखना है. ओके दिस आंसर इज जस्ट फॉर योर रेफरेंस. योर आंसर विल बी योर ओन. ओके now page number 41. Okay, so here we have to write that what they can eat and what they cannot eat. So here we have to write what child can eat and what a child cannot eat. After that, young people, what they can eat and what they cannot eat, and old people, what they can eat and what are the things that they cannot eat. Okay, so a child can eat milk, kheer, dal and khichdi. Okay, because little childs have no teeth, right? So these are the things they can eat easily. Yes, and what are the things that they cannot eat? Bhutta, dry fruits, chapati and hard fruits. Because they don't have teeth, that's why these are the foods that they cannot eat. Okay, now young people, you know that young people have healthy teeth, right? So they can eat everything and there is nothing that they cannot eat. Okay, because young people have healthy teeth. And old people, in old age, teeth have become weak. Okay, so there are some things that old people can eat easily, like rice, dal, milk, chapati soaked in dal. So these are the things that they are able to eat. And what are the things that they cannot eat? Bhutta, nuts, hard fruits. So these are the things in which they feel difficulty to eat. Okay, and after that, here we have to put the ring on the things that you eat often. So what are the things that you eat often? So here are some options: rice, wheat, barley, oats, maize means makka, millet, bajra, tapioca that means sabudana, and ragi. So which are the things that we eat often? So in our area Haryana, rice and wheat are the things that are grown and they are our major crops, right? So these are the things that we eat very often, rice and wheat. Okay, now we are doing page number 42. So here in page number 42, here we have to write that what are the things that we can prepare from a single thing. Okay, so from a single thing like wheat and rice we can prepare a variety of foods. हम सिर्फ गेहूं और राइस इन दोनों से बहुत सारे फूड्स बना सकते हैं, तो हमें यहाँ उनके नाम लिखने हैं. ओके, सो फ्रॉम राइस वी कैन मेक पूरी, पराठा, wheat bread, wheat biscuit, halwa and chapati. Okay, and from rice we can make kheer, idli, fried rice, biryani, pulao and dosa. Okay, so these are the things that we can make from rice and these are the things that we can make from wheat. Okay, after that, likes and dislikes. So some foods are in our likes and some foods are in our dislikes. कुछ foods हमें बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं तो हम उन्हें बहुत खाते हैं और कुछ food जो होते हैं हमें ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं लगते. Okay, so here you have to write 3 things that you like to eat. यहाँ आपको 3 चीज़ें लिखनी हैं जो आपको खाने में अच्छी लगती हैं. Okay, and 3 things that you don't like to eat, that means they are your dislikes. ओके, सो 3 चीज़ें आपको लिखनी है जो आपको खाने में ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं लगती. Now on page number 44. So here we have to write those things, those reasons that affect our choice of food. हमें यहाँ उन रीजंस को लिखना है जो हमारे फूड चॉइस को अफेक्ट करते हैं, जिनसे हम डिसाइड करते हैं हमने क्या खाना है और क्या नहीं खाना. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट इज व्हाट इज़ इजीली अवेलेबल, जो हमें आसानी से अवेलेबल होता है. और सेकंड इज़ व्हाट वी कैन बाय, जो हम खरीद सकते हैं. थर्ड इज़ कस्टम एंड ट्रेडिशंस. सो अबाउट फूड, in every house there are some custom and traditions that also affect our food choice. Okay, and after that, as per our likes and dislikes. So as we have discussed before, some foods we like to eat and some foods we don't like, that are our dislikes. Okay, and the fifth is depend on freshness of food. So we eat the food that is fresh, so this factor also affect our food choice. Okay, so in the end you have to tick those food items that can be eaten, जो खाई जा सकती हैं. हमें यहाँ उन food items को tick करना है जो खाई जा सकती हैं. Okay, so here in the whole list there are some things that we cannot eat, that are red ants, rat, grass and frog. Okay, so these 4 items that we cannot eat, so you don't have to tick this, and all other items we can eat. Okay, like banana flowers, drumstick flowers, mushroom, lotus stem, leftover chapati, camel's milk, hen's eggs, leaves of arvi, fish, amla, chapati made of bajra, cauliflower, meat, seeds of onion, that means kalonji, crab, coconut oil, chapati made of gram. So these all things can be eaten. So you might have not heard about some of these things because they are not famous in our area. Okay, but these are the things that can be eaten. Okay, and in the end, here you have to write those food items that you never eaten before but you feel like eating. तो यहाँ आपको उन चीज़ों के नाम लिखने हैं जो आपने कभी नहीं खाई लेकिन आपका खाने का मन है और आप खाना चाहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज़ योर बुक वर्क ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 6, फूड वी ईट. So now we are doing question answers that you have to do in your notebook of chapter number 6, foods we eat. So first of all, you will write chapter number, chapter 6 and chapter name, foods we eat. Okay, so question number 1 is, did all the children in the class eat the same food yesterday? Why? And the answer is no, all of them ate different food items. It is because they belong to different families and from different regions. Okay. Question number 2. In the picture, page number 38 in your book, there is one child in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? And the answer is, there could be many reasons, like the child's family is too poor to afford meals all the times. And the other reason, child's mother could be sick, hence could not cook meal. Okay, तो इसके 2 रीज़न्स हो सकते हैं कि उस बच्चे के घर में खाना नहीं बना. पहला रीज़न ये हो सकता है, चाइल्ड्स फैमिली इज़ टू पुअर, शायद उसकी फैमिली बहुत गरीब है और वो हर टाइम मील्स अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. और सेकेंड रीज़न कुड बी दैट हर मदर कुड बी सिक, हो सकता है उसकी माँ बीमार हो और वो खाना ना बना पाई हो. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हैज़ इट एवर हैपन टू यू दैट ऑन सम डे you were very hungry but there was nothing to eat? If yes, then why? Answer, yes, this happened when we ran out of the gas cylinder. Okay. Question number 4, how do you know that you are hungry? Answer, we can feel the urge to eat something in our stomach when we are hungry. जब हम hungry होते हैं हमें कुछ खाने का मन करता है और उससे हमें पता चल जाता है हमें भूख लगी है. Okay? Question number 5. How do you feel when you're hungry? आपको कैसा लगता है जब आपको भूख लगती है? Answer. When we are hungry, we feel very restless until we eat something. तो जब तक हम खाना नहीं खा लेते हमें बहुत बेचैनी होती रहती है. Okay? Now we are doing some questions from the story Vipul's Family. Okay? Question number 1. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? And the answer is Dadi was not able to climb the stairs quickly due to her old age. Okay? Next question. How does Dadi like to have her dal? दादी को अपनी दाल कैसे पसंद थी? दादी likes to have sugar in her dal. Question number 3. How many persons in the story can eat bhutta easily and why? Answer. Vipul, his mother and mommy can eat bhutta easily as they are young and have strong teeth. Okay? Question number 4. Can all old people eat bhutta? Why? No. Not all the old people can eat bhutta. In old age, the teeth and gums become weak. Okay? Question number 5. For 4 months, Chutki will have her mother's milk. This is her only food. Why? Answer. 4 months Chutki will have only her mother's milk because she had no teeth. Okay? So, these are the questions that you have to do in your notebook. Chapter number 6, Foods we eat. Okay? So, now bookwork and question answers of this chapter are done. Okay? In the end, I will attach the screenshots so it is easy for you to complete your work. Okay, kids? See you next time. Bye-bye.